Ever wondered why we get hiccups? It all starts with a sudden contraction of the diaphragm. This involuntary spasm can happen for various reasons. Eating too quickly or spicy foods can trigger them. Laughing or excitement can also lead to those pesky hiccups. Stress and sudden temperature changes can play a role too. Breathing exercises can help calm the diaphragm. Drinking water slowly is a classic remedy. Hiccups are usually harmless, but they can be annoying. Most hiccups resolve on their own after a few minutes. If they persist, it's best to consult a doctor. So next time you hiccup, remember it's just your body's quirky way of reacting.